show you how I created this nude glam with brown smoky eye makeup look, and this is really easy and very versatile. As you know, festive season is around the corner. It has already begun, I guess. So you can carry this look with any outfit that you want to wear. And I have only used affordable and drugstore product in this, and this is gonna be really easy and anybody can do this. So if you want to know how I got this look, how I created it, then please keep on watching this video till the end. You're gonna learn a lot of things, I promise. Hi, so I'm doing a voiceover for this video, and this video is only going to be about makeup, okay? I'm not gonna ramble the usual shit that I do in my other videos. So yeah, the first thing that I took is this Mamaearth Skin Plump Serum, and I'm using it as a base underneath my foundation, and it looks really good, okay? Just use it, just apply it all over your face and press it a little bit so that your face looks glowy, and it's gonna give you a very glowy dewy effect after you have used your foundation. So I always start my makeup with doing the eyebrows first, because you know it gives me the idea of how the rest of the process is going to be. And also I will always recommend you that if you are doing the smoky eye makeup or let's say dark eye makeup, then always do your eyes first, because then क्या होगा ना, आपका जो foundation base होगा उसके बाद आप eye makeup करेंगे तो there's a chance कि your eye makeup will fall off and it will ruin your foundation base. So yeah, and I have made a little bit of mistake over there, which I am correcting with this concealer. This is the Wet n Wild concealer, and all the products that I'm using are going to be mentioned in the description box below with their shades and along with their links, so do not forget to check that out. And if you notice a little more, I have a little bump in this like above my eyebrows on my right eyes. So yeah, that kind of ruins things for me a little bit. Like both my eyebrows cannot be same. It's very difficult to make them look similar, but yeah, we have become friends now, like this bump and me, and it's okay, I have made my peace with it. So after that, I'm gonna load my lids with this concealer, with this same concealer. This concealer is in exact shade of mine, so that works, and it's gonna work as a base for my eyeshadow. I like to blend this concealer with this fluffy brush that I have here, and after that I'm gonna use dark shades on this. I don't want to use very light concealers as my eyeshadow base, because it always ends up looking very artificial. Just blend it over there only, don't take it too far, okay? Otherwise it will fade away totally. So now I'm taking this brown shade immediately and stamping it on my eyelids. So this is what I do, like जिस भी color का मुझे ज़्यादा intensity चाहिए होता है अपने eyelids पे, I take it and I apply it directly. I don't go with the transition shade first. I know matlab, a lot of people do that, they use the transition shade first, but if you know how to work your way around, there's no need to follow a particular rule. So that's what I am doing here. I took the brown shade, I'm stamping it first, and then I'll blend it, like I'll blend it very slowly. And if you're using this trick, like if you're taking the dark color first, then you always have to remember this कि आपको इसे बहुत ज़्यादा eyebrow के पास लेके नहीं जाना है, okay? Because later when we are using the transition shade to kind of blur the edges, थोड़ा space होना चाहिए between your eyebrow dark shade that you have used. So yeah, right now I'm blending this eyeshadow on my crease, and if you notice the blending pattern that I'm doing here is let me explain you. जैसे कि आप विंग eyeliner लगाते हैं ना, उसी डायरेक्शन में आपको अपना आई शेडो भी ब्लेंड करना होता है. You cannot take this like to your lower eyelids, otherwise it will make your eyes look very droopy, and after that it will be very hard for you to clean up, okay? So this is the direction that you should be blending your eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna take the transition shade and blend the edges of this eyeshadow. So yeah, blend this eyeshadow properly. Don't get intimidated, don't get scared. We can do it. If I can do it, fine, you can do it too. And I know we are playing with the dark shades here, but just have some patience. And should I drop a truth bomb on you? Should I? Yeah. So a lot of beginners, okay, a lot of people have this idea in their mind that they cannot use eyeshadows properly. You know what happens, babe? I mean, जब आप आई शेडोज़ यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं ना, जब आप आई शेडो लगा रहे होते हैं, ब्लैंक आइज पे आई शेडो अच्छा नहीं लगने वाला अनलेस यू आर यूजिंग द राइट एक्सेसरीज, ओके? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू हैव द राइट प्रोडक्ट्स विद यू, ओके? लाइक द ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश, द राइट टूल्स, द राइट आई शेडो, द पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ इट शुड बी गुड, एंड अदर देन दैट you need to have false eyelashes, okay? And on the top, if you're using the क्या बोलते हैं, contact lenses, is gonna look even better. So that's the thing that completes the whole eye look together. And अगर आप even if you mess up with your eyeshadow and you're using the false eyelashes and contact lenses, it's gonna make you look extremely good. Okay, nobody will know that you're a beginner. So that's the reality nobody talks about. And yeah, I forgot, I'm doing this concealer, like I'm making a little cut crease so that my eyeshadow has a little bit of dimension going on. And again, for that you need to have the right tool. So this is the brush that is, you know, accurately meant for making the cut crease. This is flat, and this is the length is fine, the width is fine. So this is what I was talking about. You just have to know the right stuff and you're good. And you can take this cut crease as far as you want to. You can make it according to your eye shape. I was just trying to, you know, make it look a little gradient, like, you know, from light to dark gradient. So that's why I'm keeping it halfway. And yeah, and after that I'll take the brown shade, or maybe I'll just take a clean brush and I'll blend the edges so that, you know, it won't look separate, like the concealer and the eyeshadow part, it won't look separate, and it gets blended away nicely. After that I took Maybelline's gel eyeliner and I'm drawing a wing, a little wing. I'm not, you know, exactly making a wing, but I'm leaving it halfway, and later I'll take a pencil brush and blend it, like I'll kind of smudge the eyeliner a little bit so that it gives you a smoky and blended eyeliner kind of a look. And for this purpose you need to take a fluffy pencil brush. Your pencil brush should not be very dense. At the same time, it should not be a complete eyeliner brush. It should be somewhere in between so that your eyeliner gets smudged nicely. Yes, you see, that's pretty much the look that we are going for. So I did the other eye off camera, and now I'm highlighting my brow bone, and also I have put the false eyelashes on, so it's kind of you know, looking complete. And if you feel ki your highlighter is, you know, looking patchy underneath your eyebrow, you can always blend it out with your fingers so that it gives you a very soft and highlighted effect. So now we are moving to the base, and for that I'm using this foundation. This is by Maybelline. This is 128 Warm Nude, and this is a very Instagrammy way of me putting this foundation on. But hey, if you're a beginner and if you don't know how much foundation you're gonna need to cover the whole face of yours, then do not do this, because you might, you know, end up wasting lots of product. But in my case, I know how much I need, so this works. And to blend this foundation, I'm using this fluffy brush. I wanted to keep my base a little light and sheer because we made the eye look a little dramatic and smoky. So this is my way. If I want dark eyes, I like keeping my base sheer down a little bit. Again, a fancy way of using the foundation. If you don't know, if you have literally no idea of how much foundation should go on your face, do not do this trick, okay? Do not act over smart and waste your product. This is completely not okay, even not for me. So yeah, I'm blending it again on my forehead, and be a little careful on the eyebrows, because you know, if the foundation overlays, it looks really bad. So I have taken this Maybelline concealer, and I guess this is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my actual concealer shade. And this is what this is. Okay, wait. I need to calm down a little bit. This is what you have to do, okay? If you are doing dark eye, you need to have that contrast so that your eye makeup can pop up, right? And that's why I have used a little lighter shade, and I'm gonna blend it with the only brush that I have. Can you see how much of a difference it makes? And with all of the other process, the look will get completed and it will look even better, trust me, okay? And you can just follow this look. This is so versatile. As I said, you can carry it with anything, okay? Absolutely any outfit that you want. I got a little overexcited there. And you can also use your beauty blender to blend your foundation and concealers. If you are comfortable with that, you don't need to use a brush all the time. Okay guys, can we stop here for a while? I'm gonna ask you a little question, okay? और इससे मुझे पता चलेगा कि कौन मेरी वीडियोस पूरा देखता है, कौन नहीं देखता है. अगर आपने मेरी वीडियो पूरी देखी है, ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ व्हाट यू हैव टू आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन डाउन बिलो कि आपको जब मैं वॉइस ओवर करती हूँ तो ज़्यादा पसंद है, या फिर जब मैं लाइक यू नो अलॉन्ग विद द वीडियो बोलती हूँ या फिर इंस्ट्रक्ट करती जाती हूँ तो वो आपको ज़्यादा पसंद है? दिस इज़ वॉट यू हैव टू आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम गोना नो कि how many people are watching my video completely. So now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. This is a really nice thing. Okay, we are allowed to go a little dramatic because this is the festive season. Okay, yeah, eyes are done. Alright, so now we are gonna bronze up our face. I have taken this little mini bronzer. This is by Sugar, so that we don't look like a flat potato. And you can do this fish face, or you can just bronze like an abnormal person, because you know doing the fish face is normal. Alright, we know that you like to play with that dumb magnetic thing. Grow up. Anyway, so that's, you know, for the longest time I did not realize that bronzing up your face is very important, and I used to always skip this part, but later I realized that this is actually very important and this makes a difference. And right now I'm using the blush on my cheeks, and if at all I forget to mention any product's name that I did right here, you can always check it in the description box because everything is gonna be available there. And now I'm hiding my face because I'm looking ugly. No, we are doing this to spritz the setting spray, okay? We don't want to do it on our eyes because it can ruin the eyeshadow. You only have to do it on your face. And I don't know why I'm making that big face. Okay, so let it dry and it will set up the base. You can also, you know, pat your fingers so that everything looks even. It's the time to pop on some highlighter. And we are gonna turn some heads. We are done for the festive season. I'm also gonna use this highlighter a little bit on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow to make my lips a little pouty. I'm not gonna use it a lot because my lips are already a little pouty, so just be sure what to use, when to use, how to use. Alright, so after that I'm gonna use a Nykaa mini matte lipstick, and I don't know why the F I'm sniffing it like a dog. Oh, I remember, it was smelling so delicious. It was smelling like a chocolate, trust me. So yes, this is the shade that I'm using. I don't remember which shade was that. Anyways, description, check the description. So yeah, lipstick is done, and now I'm gonna put a little bit of gloss. I don't know from which brand this gloss is. I think this was some local brand or something. And this is my new favorite. I like to, you know, put lip gloss on my lips whenever I'm doing a nude makeup look. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also, I'm thinking of creating some more makeup looks. So if you don't wanna miss it, then please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. And yeah, bye bye.